I want to read 1 or 2 books and then make 1 or 2 new recipes, which also I already did. I did Megan's chicken. So I watched this channel called Jennica and Annica. I've probably mentioned her or them a couple times. It's a mother-daughter duo from Nashville and, well, technically Franklin, I don't know. Anyways, back to basics. They made a little crock pot chicken they call Megan's chicken. And it was basically like chicken, taco seasoning, oranges, and limes. Like you juice fresh orange and lime. It's not what she did in the recipe, which also was very funny because I was like, not sure how it was gonna turn out anyways because I've never had it. But then also not sure how it was gonna turn out because even as she was making it, she was like, this isn't the real recipe though. So it was basically like, yeah, like kind of like a taco chicken shredded situation, which was really good. I enjoyed it. It was very salty and it put too much seasoning in it, but I still like hyper fixated on it and ate like 6 that day. So I'll put the Megan's chicken on here that I did it. My biggest thing then is like, I just never know, like when people say the word Megan, you're like, how do you spell that? Is it M-E-G? Is it M-E-G-A-N-E? Is it with the H? Like, ugh, God, those are the things I think about too much.